If you want to learn a systematic approach to learning 3D VTuber characters, I'm ready to take you through my entire process, from basic to advanced techniques. Hi, I'm Createll, a 3D artist who specializes in creating 3D character models for VTubers. I will explore rigging concept and structures through an iterative workflow that leverages weighting data generated by the rig itself. We will learn to identify and break down concepts, turning these concepts into procedures, and achieving concepts like light with normals, flow with vertex data, and shapes with SDFs. Then I'm going to show you how to bridge client demands with your skill set by unifying concepts and procedures. I'm Createll, a 3D artist. I'm waiting for you at Coloso.